Morning, good morning, good morning. It's Tuesday, day after Memorial Day. Hope everybody had a nice time and is safe. And let me walk us into what we are doing today. So this is lo mein that I have blanched, cooked for about 6-7 minutes. It has sesame oil. It's ready to be played with. Peppers, baby corn cut up, carrots julienne and then cut up, scallions, broccoli, spicy chicken. The chicken has my spice box seasoning, jerk dry seasoning, and Cajun seasoning. My good friend Joe asked if I could make lo mein with spicy chicken. So Joe, hope this is a good video for that. Chicken on the grill. And we're just gonna X them and then put them in the oven. And then while they're in the oven, we're gonna assemble the vegetable lo mein. So, just beforehand, this is some soy that I put cornstarch in to make it a little thick. That's what we're gonna use to mix with the lo mein and the vegetables and the chicken. The reason you do this is because when it's with the cornstarch thickened up, it sticks better to the lo mein and to the vegetables, giving it that nice, true shine and coating that people are looking for. So that's easy. That's just heat up the soy, put a quarter of the amount you're using cornstarch in water, bring to a simmer, and that's it. That's done. So the chicken, we're just marking the chicken and we're gonna put it in the oven, and while it's in the oven, we're gonna get to work, do what we do. It's like a dreary day, cloudy, rainy, but it is what it is. Gotta get it done. All right. Chicken in the oven. There we go. And let's work. So, sorry for the camera, maybe being all over the place. Kind of one-handed action today. Okay, so, like I said, showed you all the stuff, showed you the lo mein. So now, I got a pan. I just have a pan right here. I'm just gonna put a good amount of the lo mein, just like so. Actually, I'm gonna use all of it. I'm gonna use all of it because I'm actually gonna use this. So, lo mein, broccoli, peppers, corn, carrots, scallions, just like that. Little parsley, just like that. We're gonna season it with salt and pepper, but don't go too crazy because even though we're working with the low sodium soy, you know, there we go. We want to make, we don't want to, it's very easy to over season this. So, now, we're just going to bring in a little bit of that soy I told you, just like that. Okay, that's it. And let's just get this nice and tossed. Very easy, nothing crazy. And it already gets that nice color because everything is sticking together. Oh yeah, nice. Little veg may be coming out, but that's okay. Throw it right back in. And there we go. There we go. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, so here is the mix. Let me give you a nice little look at it so you can see. See? Nice mix. Vegetable lo mein. This now can be heated up. This could be easily sauteed with some regular oil or sesame oil just for a couple of minutes, and it's easy to go. If you want it cold, if you want it hot, I made it cold. And let me go and check on the chicken. So let's put this right here. Get all this out of the way. It's the plate we're going to use today. Here's the chicken. Only going to use one. Just rinsing off that bowl I had with the lo mein, because I want to show you like a nice amount. So here's the bowl. Put the gloves on. All right, so empty bowl, right? Lo mein. Make sure you get some good amount of vegetables, right? Like so. Get this out of the way. Chicken breast, fresh out the oven. Want to slice it thin. Alright. Nice, juicy, tender. Okay. Cut it in strips, and then cut the strips in half. Toss that into the chicken. Alright. Just like that. So easily now we just want to toss that. Just give it a nice toss, let all that chicken juices get in there, and you know. And then we got our plate right there. And we're just gonna put a little bit of the lo mein right there in the middle and turn it. Now we're gonna make sure we get all the other stuff. The chicken, corn, carrot, pepper, just like that. There you go. Just some carrot, corn, just like that. And now you have a spicy chicken vegetable lo mein. Very easy, very simple. Clean the plate. Always got to make sure your work is up to par, looking right. Parsley. A little bit more scallions. And there you go. Oops, excuse me. Vegetable chicken spicy lo mein. JV Spice Box. Shout out to my boy Joe. I will check you later. Enjoy the rest of your day.